This one math rule causes more exam mistakes than any other. You follow the steps, you solve carefully naman pero mali pa rin ang sagot. Ang reason? Order of preparations. So today, I'll make PEMDAS crystal clear so hindi ka na magkakamali. Okay? So let's proceed. Order of operation, explain clearly. So this is about PEMDAS, okay? So let's proceed guys. Why this topic matters nga ba? So PEMDAS prevents the mistakes in multi-steps problems. Especially kung napakaraming operation ang involved. Ginagamit din siya as foundation for algebra, physics at engineering. Common cause of exam failures din siya. So kapag nakaligtaan mo yung mga simple operations, nagkakamali ka at nag-iiba yung sagot mo. So let's proceed. PEMDAS. So PEMDAS acronym, P stands for parenthesis, E for exponents, M multiplication, D is division, A ay addition, at S ay subtraction. So important note, ang MD at ang AS ay left to right. So ibig sabihin, pag nakakita ka ng multiplication division at addition subtraction na magkasama sa isang problem, dapat sinasolve siya going from left to right. So let's proceed para mas maintindihan natin. So example, 5 plus 2 times 3 squared minus 1. So para mas maintindihan natin siya, ay isosolve ko. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang way kung paano ito sinasolve. So 5 plus 2 times 3 squared minus 1. So going back, so ilalagay ko lang muna yung PEMDAS. Wait, let's just here PEMDAS. P-E-M-D-A-S. Okay? So, going back, ang unang step is to solve this by applying the rule of PEMDAS. So, sa problem na ito, meron ba tayong parenthesis? Eto. So, kailangan muna natin siya i-simplify. So, bago natin siya i-simplify, let's rewrite muna yung buong problem. So, 5 plus 2, hindi muna natin gagalawin yan. Ang gagalawin muna natin is yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, recalling, 3 squared, ang ibig sabihin yan ay 3, ito yung base, at ito yung exponent na 2. So, 3 daw ay, anong ginagawa? Pag naka-raise sa squared, minumultiply siya sa sarili niya. So, 3 squared. So, 3 times 3 minus 1. Yan, ganyan po natin siya i-rewrite. And then, ikakopy muna natin ulit at wag muna gagalawin yung nasa labas na parenthesis. So, gagawin natin siyang ganito. At isasolve natin siya ng paisa-isa lang using the PEMDAS rule. So, 3 times 3 is 9. At kakopy natin yung minus 1. Ang next step is to simplify yung nasa loob ng parenthesis dahil parenthesis pa rin siya. Based sa PEMDAS, P ang pinaka-una nating dapat na isolve. So, copy pa rin, 5 plus 2 times 9 minus 1 is 8. So, isasolve na natin siya ngayon ulit. So, 5 plus 2 times 8 na lang yung natitirang operation. So, ano bang next na mangyayari? So, after ng P is exponent. May exponent pa ba tayo? Wala na. Multiplication. O, yun, meron. Multiplication. So, ibig sabihin, ito muna yung part ng expression na una nating isasolve. So, 2. So, mangyayari is 5 plus 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Tsaka natin siya isasolve at isasimplify. So, 5 plus 6 is 21. So, 21 ang sagot sa expression na ito, which is same sa ating sagot sa screen. So, let's proceed. Sana naintindihan, guys. So, common wrong method. So, gumagamit yung ibang mga students ng left to right only. So, ignoring PEMDAS. So, ang usual na ginagawa ng ibang students, isosolve nila agad to, dire-diretso, from left to right. Pero ano ba mangyayari? Nagkakaroon tayo ng mag-iiba yung sagot natin. So, let's try. So, for the sake of applying the left to right method na mali. So, 5 plus 2 is, burayin lang muna natin. At basta yung sagot natin is 21. So tatry natin yung left to right method kung ano magiging sagot natin. Simplify natin. 5 plus 2 is 7. Times, gaya na sabi natin kanina, ang laman nito ay 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. Diba? Mali na agad. Mali po yan. So mali talaga yung trick na left to right only. Kailangan i-apply natin ang PEMDAS rule para makuha natin yung sagot na 21. So ganun po dapat ha. Magkaiba po ang pag-solve. So dapat talagang ma-apply natin yung rule ng PEMDAS para di po tayo magkamali. Okay? So let's proceed guys. So common student mistake is ignoring the parentheses and doing addition first at forgetting the left to right rule. So yun nga. Left to right rule by using PEMDAS. Hindi po kesyo mahaba yung or mahaba yung operation is left to right lang. Kailangan meron tayong guide which is yung PEMDAS para di po tayo naliligaw sa pag-solve ng mahabang expressions. So practice problem number 1. So let's try guys. I'll just delete muna yung mga to. Okay. So yan. I-write lang natin. So 8 plus 6 divided by 2 times 3. Okay? So ano kaya to? Paano natin solve to? So ang unang technique natin is using PEMDAS ulit. P parenthesis. So let's check for parenthesis. Meron ba? Sa screen? Meron. Ito. Itong part na to. So I'll let you give a time guys. If you want to pause muna para mas ma-try nyo kung masasolve nyo siya, and then you should continue para ma-watch nyo yung video that I'll be providing this solution, okay? So let's proceed. 8. Just copy the 8 muna, wag natin gagalawin. At yung nasa loob muna ng parenthesis. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 3. Yan, ganun po, di ba? And then we'll proceed. Anong next step? Parenthesis, exponent, meron pa ba tayo? Wala na. Multiplication. Sunod ng E is M. Multiplication, meron pa ba? Meron pa. So 8 plus 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So ang natitira na lang nating operation ay addition. So pwede na natin siyang i-simplify. So 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So 17 is the answer. So let's see kung tama rin siya dun sa screen. So, ang unang ginawa niya is parenthesis is to simplify muna yung laman ng parenthesis. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And to multiply it, 3 times 3 is 9. At i-add yung 8 sa 9 para makuha yung 17, which is what we did in this problem. Okay? So, let's proceed guys with practice problem number 2. So, ito medyo complicated siya pero kaya naman siya solvable guys. So, let's pause muna and solve kung kaya natin yung problem na ito at kung naiintindihan talaga natin. I'll give you time to solve this. Okay? Okay guys, so let's solve this one na. So let's rewrite this one first. So I'll just clear my screen para i-solve natin yung problems. Number 2. So let's rewrite muna. 5 plus 3 and then times 2 squared. 2 squared and then minus 4 and then divided by 2. Okay, how to solve this? So by applying the rule of PEMDAS, so parenthesis. May nakikita ba kayong parenthesis? Meron. Ito, parenthesis. Exponent, may nakikita ba kayo? Ito, meron. Dahil using the rule of PEMDAS, so parenthesis muna tayo. P. So, let's solve this. P, ito muna yung nasa loob. Parenthesis, 5 plus 3 is 8 times 2 squared minus 4 divided by 2. So, ang next step natin, kung may parenthesis pa ba, wala na. So, exponent naman. Exponent. So, merong exponent dito. So, 8 times 2 squared is equal to 2 times 2. So, minultiply mo si 2 ng sarili niya. Okay? So, let's proceed. And then, we'll just copy this 1 first. Di mo natin siya gagalawin. At itutuloy natin ngayon. So, multiplication. May multiplication ba tayo? Meron. Itong part na to, itong tatlo. So, gagawin natin is, multiply natin itong tatlo. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So, 32 minus 4 divided by 2. So, anong next nating operation? Division. May division ba tayo? Meron. Itong part na to. So, i-divide muna natin siya. So, ikakopy natin si 32 minus 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, ang remaining nating operation ay subtraction. Wala tayong addition. Subtraction lang. Diretso tayo subtraction. So, 32 minus 2, ang sagot po natin ay 30. So, ang sagot pala sa expression na to ay 30. Tingnan natin kung ganun din sa screen. Okay, so tama. Parenthesis muna yung ginawa niya. Sinimplify, ginawang 8. Tapos 2 squared is equal to 4. Multiplication naman, 8 times 4 is 32. At dinivide niya yung 4 kay 2. Kaya ang natira na lang natin ay 32 minus 2. And the answer is 30. Okay? So sana naintindihan guys. So quick tips and tricks. Parenthesis always comes first. Yun ang pinakamahalaga. Watch for nested parenthesis. And exponents muna bago ang multiplication, division. At sa pagsosolve ng multiplication, division at addition, subtraction, ang process niyan ay left to right. So, ganun po guys ha. So, summary, PEMDAS prevents errors. Same level operations ay left to right. So, multiplication, division at addition, subtraction ay same levels. Ang pagsosolve sa kanya ay from left to right ng expression. At ng step by step ang susi. Step by step is key. So, PEMDAS is really important for us to get the right answer. Dahil kung tayo ay walang guide sa pag-solve, ay magkakamali tayo sa problem na iyon. Okay guys? So, the next topic will be about basic algebra for engineering students. So, comment PEMDAS guys and I will reply to the comments. Okay? So, if this helps you, so comment PEMDAS, and now that you understand the order of operation, the next topic is we'll be applying this to basic algebra where most engineering students get confused. So see you sa next videos guys, and bye-bye for now. And like and subscribe if you learn something new and if you want to learn more. So just hit the comment guys, okay? Bye-bye for now and have a nice day. Thank you.